Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to set up a merchant service account with Twoguysfinance. All right, it's gonna be a quick video. We're not gonna waste much time on this one. Let's just jump straight into it. So the first thing you're gonna do is to go to the Twoguysfinance website, and then you're gonna click on merchant services. Now there you can review the different merchant service options and just choose the one that best suits your specific business needs. And once that's done, you can just click on apply now, and then you're going to need to fill out the online application form. Now on that form, you're going to provide the required documentation, such as the business financials as well as your tax returns. And then you're going to review and agree to the merchant services terms and conditions. Make sure you read that thoroughly so you have a good understanding. And once that's done, you're going to receive a merchant service decision. And if the decision is approved, then you can review and sign the agreement. And once that's done, you can set up your merchant service account and start processing payments. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a merchant services account with Twoguysfinance. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll catch you guys in the next